day everyone, I'm Severino Carrido Jr. Today we will discuss about Human Resources Development or HRD. Human Resources Development is the process of improving the skill, knowledge, and abilities of employees through training. Education and career development plays important role in helping employees become more productive, motivated, and effective in their work. HRD also help organizations achieve their goals and developing a skill and competent workforce. In this report, we will learn the important function and benefits of human resources development in organization. Human resources development progress are structured initiative compasses used to grow their employees' skill, knowledge, and cares. 1. Training in programs. Tech of spec, job skill and knowledge, example software training, safety training, customer service, workshop. Goals is to improve performance right now. 2. Development program. Focus on long-term growth, example leadership training, mentorship, management course. Goal is to prepare employees for bigger role later. 3. Career development. Help employees plan their career path inside the company. Career counseling, job rotation, and succession planning. 4. Organization development. Work on improved process, team dynamic, and company culture. Example, team building, chance management, conflict resolution.
Hello sir, my name is JV Mark Limasong, and for my topic is how important human resource and development programs. Ang human resource and development programs ay mahalaga dahil tinutulungan nitong mapabuti ang kasanayan, kaalaman at pagganap ng mga empleyado sa pamamagitan ng pagsasanay at patuloy na pagkatuto. Pinapataas din nito ang produktibidad, kumpiyansa at motibasyon ng mga manggagawa habang inihahanda sila para sa mga posisyon ng pamumuno sa hinaharap. Nakatutulong din ang mga programang ito upang makaangkop ang mga organisasyon sa pagbabago ng teknolohiya at mga pangangailangan sa trabaho habang lumilikha ng positibo at maayos na kapaligiran sa trabaho. Sa kabuuan, ang Human Resource and Development Programs ay mahalaga para sa pag-unlad ng mga empleyado, tagumpay na organisasyon at pangmatagalang katatagan.
Hello everyone, I am Rodemar B. Villanueva and I will discuss you about how proper training and motivation can increase productivity in workplace about Labor Code Book 2. Proper training and motivation play an important role in increasing productivity in the workplace. As emphasized in Book 2 of the Labor Code of the Philippines, which focus on Human Resources Development Program. Training helps employees improve their knowledge, skills, and efficiency in performing their jobs. When workers are properly trained, they can complete tasks faster, reduce mistakes, and produce better quality work. Training also helps employees adapt to new technologies, workplace policies, and methods of production. Because of this, business become more productive and competitive. Book 2 of the Labor Code promotes the development of human resources by encouraging employers to provide training programs, apprenticeship, and employment opportunities. This program helps workers become more competent and prepared for their jobs. At the same time, employers are encouraged to maintain good working conditions and provide benefits that motivation employees to perform efficiently. In a conclusion, proper training develops employees' abilities while motivation inspires them to give their best effort. Together they improve employee performance, increase productivity, and help both workers and business succeed.